Equipotential surface. Equipotential surface is the surface at each point on this surface potential is same. So इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस या समविभव पृष्ठ ऐसा पृष्ठ होता है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में जिसके हर बिंदु पर, हर पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल सेम हो. मीन्स इफ वी मूव ऑन दिस सरफेस then potential difference between 2 points in this surface is 0. So first we will learn about equipotential surfaces due to a point charge. So suppose we have a plus q point charge here. Now at distance r on this plane at this point, suppose potential is V. Now at a distance r on this plane, on this point, what will be potential? Potential will be same because V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So if we imagine an sphere whose center is at this charge, suppose at O, of radius r, then on each point of that sphere potential will be same. So equipotential surface due to a point charge will be a sphere. So at a distance, at a different distance from this point charge, potential will be different. So equipotential surfaces will be concentric spheres due to. Now these are equipotential surfaces which are concentric spheres. In this plane they are circle, but actually this is a part of a sphere. So as we move away, potential difference decreases. So first equipotential surfaces will be close to each other, and as we move, distance, the difference between the equipotential surfaces will be more. Now how you will draw them? So first draw the field lines, and then draw these equipotential surfaces so that at this point field lines are at 90 degree. So in this way you can draw equipotential surface for a point charge. Now equipotential surfaces for two positive charges kept at a distance. Suppose this plus and plus charge, they are plus q charge are kept at a distance. So at the line joining the point and between the charges, field will be less because suppose at you are at this point. So at this point field due to this charge is in this direction and field due to this charge is in this direction. So between the charges field will be less. As we move away from this charge to this charge, first field will decrease, then at certain point 0, and then it will increase due to this charge. But at the outside this charge, at this point suppose field due to these two charges are in same direction, due to this in this direction, due to this in this direction, so they add up. So therefore to draw equipotential surfaces for two positive charges kept at a distance, equipotential surfaces will be close here and distances between equipotential surfaces will be more here. At this they are like this. Now equipotential surface due to uniform electric field. The equipotential surface due to a uniform electric field is a plane. Okay, this is one equipotential surface, this is another equipotential surface, they are parallel to each other. Now at which surface potential is more, in surface number 2 or in surface number 1? Think. Potential will be more in surface number 1. Why? Because direction of electric field is from higher potential to lower potential. So these two are equipotential surfaces. At each point on this surface's potential is same, but potential at the surface number 2 is less than as compared to potential on surface number 1, and direction of electric field is perpendicular to this. Now you may draw the equipotential surfaces due to dipole, electric dipole. So equipotential surface due to electric dipole, this is an electric dipole, this is plus charge and this is minus charge. Now field between the charges will be more because they add up. At this point, field due to this plus charge is in this direction. Suppose take a point here, field due to plus q charge in this direction, and field due to this minus charge is also in the same direction. So they add up. But at this point, field due to plus q charge is in this direction and field due to minus charge is opposite to this. So they subtract. So here the distance between equipotential surface is more, and here distance between equipotential surfaces is less. Now properties of equipotential surface. So equipotential surface due to a point charge are concentric spheres. If field is more, then equipotential surfaces will be close to each other. As you may see here field is more, therefore surfaces are close. Here field is less, therefore surfaces are at a more distance compared to this. They are far away. Now electric field lines are perpendicular to equipotential surface. At this point, suppose we find the electric direction of electric field. So this dotted line is curve is equipotential surface. So electric field lines will be perpendicular to it. Now if we move a charge on equipotential surface, then no work is done in moving a charged particle on equipotential surfaces. Why? Suppose this is a equipotential surface and we are here at point A, its potential is VA, and then we move a Q naught charge from here to here at point B. This Q naught charge is moving on this. Now potential difference between VA and VB will be 0, and work done W is equal to Q naught into delta V. Since delta VB which is equal to VA minus VB is 0, so work done is also 0 because Q naught is not 0 but delta V is 0. So no work is done on moving a charged particle on equipotential surface. Now two equipotential surfaces cannot intersect each other. Two equipotential surfaces cannot intersect each other. Why? Because if they intersect, suppose these are two equipotential surfaces and suppose they are crossing each other, then at the point of intersection there will be two values of potential, which is absurd, which is not possible. Suppose this is at 10 volt and this is at 5 volt. So when they are crossing each other, intersecting each other at this section, due to this equipotential surface voltage is 10 volt and due to this is 5 volt, which is not possible. And also electric field lines, value of electric field will be 2, which is not possible. So two equipotential surfaces cannot cross each other. This type of arrangement is not possible. So these are properties of equipotential surface. Thanks.